Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I converted this table to this table. So because I did not want my house to smell like paint, I decided to do everything I was going to do outside. It was a pretty windy day, so it helped with the whole smell and everything. So this is the before look. This is before I do anything on the table. This is what it looks like. Okay, so the first thing I did was take out the top part. That part is usually for printers and stuff. So I just unscrewed it and took it out. And then next I unscrewed the top of the table. That's the actual top of the table. Then I took it out too. Next, I took a paper towel and cleaned the surface of the table just because I didn't want it to have any dust particles, so it's going to look nice when I finish painting. Okay, so after that, I put some newspaper on the floor to prevent the paint from being there when I'm done. So I'll just be using the spray paint and the glitter. I got everything at Walmart, and the Rust-Oleum is really cheap. I love using their products. Oh, by the way, if you want to know where I got my mask, I made it. If you want some, you can order it. Just send me a DM on Instagram. I'm going to include my Instagram right here. So I started by painting the legs of the table, but then when I got halfway, I realized the paint might not be enough, so I decided to paint the glass part first. But before I painted it, I did a little design with the glitter. So what I sprayed first is the what's it called, the glitter glue ish. So I sprayed the glitter glue first, then I poured the glitter on top, and you're going to see what it looks like afterward. And mind you, I'm doing this on the back of the table, not on the front. So the top part of the table still remains smooth, but the back is the part that has paint. Okay, that dried up really quick, and afterwards I started painting with the black paint. So I just spray painted the glass from the back and not the front. From the back part of the glass was what I spray painted. So when I was done with the glass, I went back to go finish up the legs of the table and other parts. And then I ran out of paint. If you're going to try this at home, don't forget to screw back the top of the table. If not, it's just going to break at some point because it's not going to be sturdy. So don't forget to screw the top of the table back to the fit. So this is what the finished product looked like, guys. The design on top is very questionable because most of people have questions about it, but I like it. It just gives it this weird touch. I really enjoyed this project. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this, and I want to see pictures. If you do, just send me a DM on Instagram or something. And if you'd like to see me make more videos like this, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.